Hi everyone, this is Pam from the Paper Outpost, and today we're using up our book pages. We're going to use 3 book pages today and one simple project that is actually very thin for your journals, and it's called the layer cake. And here's an example of one layer cake. It uses 3 pages, and look how thin it is. Cool, huh? Here's another example of a layer cake, and it uses 3 pages. Look how thin. Awesome, right? Okay, and they're strong enough to handle being used. So basically the first one, let me just show you. The prototype is it opens like this, and you've got some journaling space inside with some writing page, and flip here, you got a little tab to show the flip, another little prompt, and some writing space on blank pages that have been inked, and a third little flip, and you've got more writing space here. So this one is the same concept, except I used smaller book pages, and I'm going to orient the layer cake as such so that the font is all going in the correct direction. This opens up, you've got some writing space here. This opens up, you've got some writing space here. And this opens up, voila, writing space. Okay, so let's get to it. We're gonna make an example of this one because this uses, I would say, smaller book pages, and I think most people have access to these. So here's the book pages that I use. This is a smaller one, and since I wanted the contrast of the white one being in the middle of the 2 cream ones, this decided the size of everything. So let me go ahead and cut these up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I've cut my 3 pages, and the noises in the background are my husband making breakfast, so you may hear some noises. Okay, so I cut this one, it's a little smaller than this one, it's a little smaller than this one. And the layer cake design is going to go like this. Now, if you want to orient your font all the right way so it's reading up, you just turn your entire little booklet this way and tuck it into your journal this way. Or you can tuck it into the side and clip it, or you can glue it down. That's the basic skeleton, so let's decorate it up and give it some pizzazz. So a couple tips. If you're using vintage book pages and they might be a little flimsy, you may want to reinforce this edge with some washi tape, or you can do this. Now what I did was I went ahead and I picked 3 papers that are going to go on the insides of these pages for extra writing space, and this is going to give the vintage book page an extra strength. Okay, so you want to make sure your font is going in the right direction, and we're going to put that down just like that. Well, I'm just going to use, I am just going to use a glue stick for this, but you can use any kind of glue, doesn't matter. Just want to be careful. You want to get the corners for sure, and a little bit in the middle, and the edges. Edges are important. Okay, align. No. Align. Try it again. Oh, well, that's worse. It's one of those mornings. Okay. We'll make sure we're fitting at the top. Yes. Align. Oh, we're in. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, if you use a quick grab glue, it's over for you if that happens to you. So just be sure where you're putting it down first. Okay. Making sure the font is in the right direction. Okay. Opening it. Why am I reminding you of that? Because it's happened to me, yep. Okay, I'm going to put this one here. I've inked it up for some contrast. If you use white against white paper, that's a great way to delineate the item in the middle and give you some extra contrast. So let's just ink this baby. Let's glue this baby up. All right, here we go. Yep. Okay, now we're going to do better on this one. Watch, I'm going to start at the top. Line it up, go down like this, and you can use a brayer, one of those rollers, paper rolling pins, to get down super flatty flat, and there we go, and fold it, and the font is the right way. So I lost my first one. Here's the first one, folding it, right way. Okay, last one. All right, so this one is a cream paper. This is a cream paper, and what I did was I inked up the edges with some walnut ink to give it some extra pop. Okay, so let's glue this baby down. And this is a nice way to use up 3 book pages in one run. And if you can count these middle things, these are actually, excuse me, pages out of old journals and things like that. And so those would be 6 pages, I guess, officially. Okay, we'll put you approximately in the center. Eyeball, eyeball. Okay. Now we're going to fold this in half. And I'm just going to ink up the edges a little bit because I think it looks better. But this one, I think I'm going to round the edges first, just so you can see some different design elements. But I think you get the basic concept. It's not hard. You're layer caking. All right, there we go. And all right, what are we going to use? Let's do this one in blue. Yeah, I'll do it in blue. Okay. Oh, that's really blue. Holy mackerel. Okay, and let me see. Am I going to do this one? See if I ink it blue. Yeah, just a little. Just, you know what? No, let's do this one in walnut to give a little contrast, but lightly on the edges. We don't want to cover the edges too much because we like the white contrast. The we here again is me. You can do what you want. You cannot ink it at all. You can go to town and ink-a-rama. And I think I'm going to do this outer one blue, just because we're rolling with the blue. Yeah. All right. Do. Okay. And there's our little layer cake. And now we're going to just glue them together, which is easy peasy. I'm going to use some, I just happen to have Fabri-Tac here, so I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. Close you up. Oop, here we go. Pay attention, Pam. All right. Tacking with the Fabri-Tac. Okay, we're a little clogged in the end because it's getting down to the bottom. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right. Now, you guys know about speed watching, right? Like speed number 2 makes things go a lot faster if you want to watch a bunch of videos and you don't have a lot of time. Something I discovered not that long ago. Very happy for that. I also discovered the pause on my video recorder, so I don't have to keep, isn't that ridiculous? It's like such a basic function. It's like the flusher on the toilet. Where it was, because I kept turning the entire video off and I had to restart, and let's just say it was, you know, time consuming. Okay, so there we go. We have those. We have, okay, so we're going to orient like this. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Now, I'm just going to put some little doodads here. Did I leave them out? Hang on. Doodad emergency. No, no. Where are they? Okay, I'm going to find, oh, here they are. I was going to say, I'm going to find them as soon as I stop the video. You can make little tabs like I did on this one. These are just little paper cutouts. Stiffer paper, cardstock would be good. And I just inked them up and decorated them. And I staggered them so that you can see there's 3 individual flips there. And let me, I don't know if I'm going to stagger these. I'm just going to put you here. Not exactly the middle, but you know, you get the idea. I'm going to put you here. Oh, come on, come off my finger. And it's probably a good idea to don't trust the glue on these things, but use an extra dab of like stronger glue because they pop off easily otherwise. So, but this is just demonstration purposes. Actually, let's put you on an angle so you look like you're different. I like the contrast. Okay, so there we go. And I think I would like to put a stamp in the middle, just because, I don't know, I'm just feeling like it. And I think I'm going to do a brown one. Yeah, because I can't find the, oh, yes, no, I can find the black. There it is, right there. Don't move. I think it would look good. And I'm just going to do this leaf. I have a leaf stamp. Mush, mush, mush. Oh, not much on there. Well, this one's not going to work out too good, but okay, we'll do our best. All right, here we go. Oh, hey, we got a good one. You know, it's always 50-50 with these things. There you go. Okay, so that's the layer cake, and it can be decorated 1,000,001 ways to Sunday, and it's very easy. And I just wanted to show you, even with the additional papers, still very thin for your journals. So please, everybody, that's it for today. Like and subscribe. I have 3 journals in my Etsy shop if you'd like to take a peek, and I have one coming soon. I'm working on it right now, and that explains all this hoo-ha mess over here. So have a great day. Happy crafting, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.